Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a Google form. First, open Google Forms and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, click on any form you want to duplicate. Click the three vertical dots on the top right corner of the form. Then, click Make a Copy. You'll be asked to name your duplicate form. You can keep the default or change it to something new. Click OK, and just like that, your form is duplicated and ready to use. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly duplicate Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.